What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and we are continuing on today with our paid traffic sources, and we're going to be using all these paid traffic sources to sell Clickbank products. So today we have one of those more obscure advertising networks, and that is Quora. So we're going to be making Quora ads today, and this kind of just like Twitter ads, nobody really talks about this. So I think it's more of an untapped opportunity. I know a lot of large-scale businesses can benefit from Quora, but I want to see if it's possible to actually, do this for affiliate marketing as well. And if it's an ads platform, then that means there's customers. There's customers waiting, and a site like Quora Ads is definitely something to test out. Before we hop into it, though, I just want to let you know that this video was made possible by the AFK forum. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is just come over here to Quora for Business. That's Quora.com/business. You will need a Quora account for this, which I already have one. So if you don't have one, super easy to make. Just enter in the information that is required, and within a couple minutes you'll have your Quora account. So one of the questions is, why advertise on Quora? If we can advertise on places like Facebook, Google, Bing, Instagram, why would we ever choose Quora? Well, when we have these networks that aren't used as much, it's definitely possible to get clicks and people over to our website for cheaper than we would on the bigger ad networks like Facebook. I'm not saying that's 100% true 100% of the time, but I think the potential and the possibility is definitely there. As we can see, why advertise on Quora? Well, there's a large engaged audience. 300 million monthly unique visitors. That's huge. There's a lot of people on Quora, and as you can see, Quora users in the United States also tend to be highly educated. Really interesting. That's really important to us. And the last one over there, high user intent, is also super important because these people are coming over and they have burning questions, they have burning problems. We're going to be able to present our ads to these people that have problems and present them in a way that solves their problem. And doing this is a great way to get sales because we're taking people who are in a position of pain and bringing them to their solution. And as long as we connect those two, then we can get sales and we can make affiliate commissions. So with Quora, we have a couple of different ad formats. So we have text ads, and this is the OG, the original. These are non-intrusive and a native experience. Pretty much going to blend into the Quora feed exactly like a normal answer might do. But sometimes text won't be enough, so we'll go into image ads. And we can market our products or services using images, and these are going to pop out a little bit more and draw a little bit more attention to our ads. Finally, there's also promoted answers, so we can boost distribution of our organic content on Quora. So this is if you had a bunch of answers already and maybe you were writing the same answer over and over and over again, then you can do a promoted answer to a topic, and that promoted answer will come up anytime that a keyword in that topic ever pops up. So this is good if you have answers on a really broad topic. The product that you're selling meets the concern of a bunch of different people who are asking the question in maybe different ways. So now that we've kind of gone over what Quora is and how to use Quora, let's go ahead and set up an ad and see what it looks like inside the dashboard. So it's going to ask you for a couple things when you're creating your ad account. Go ahead, if you don't have a business name, you can just use your full name. So right. And you will need a website URL as well. So this can be, a bridge page in between your ad and your affiliate offer. If you don't have a bridge page, then you may be able to use your affiliate link as your website. I'm just going to try that out and see if that could work. So I just threw in an affiliate link, a Clickbank affiliate link. This might go under review, so if they saw this, it might not work. I would always recommend just having an actual website. So like my website could be the afkforum.com, and that would be my URL. After that, you have to pick your industry. So if I was advertising the AFK forum, I might use something like professional and B2B services, more like professional services. But if you don't see your category, then you could always just select other, and that should work too. Okay, so now we are inside the Quora Ads Manager, and as you can see, we can create our first campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and start setting this up. Of course, we have different kind of objectives: conversions, app installs, traffic, and awareness. I think I want to go for traffic. I want to get a bunch of people over to my affiliate offer. So we don't have an offer to promote right now. So let's go ahead and pick one real quick inside of Clickbank. So I'm inside of the Clickbank marketplace, And the thing with Quora is people have problems with everything. So I don't really think you can go wrong on picking a product, because whatever it is, there's going to be someone who has that problem on Quora, is asking questions about it, and would like answers and solutions to their problems. So I would go from anything from weight loss to how to make money online to how to build a garden, and like literally everything in between. So I don't think you can go wrong. I think there's tons of different products that could potentially do well on Quora. So how about this product on beekeeping called Discover Beekeeping, a beginner beekeeper's guide. I guarantee you there will be some people asking questions about how to be a beekeeper on Quora. Now, will you get a ton of volume and a ton of clicks? Probably not, because I would imagine that the number of people asking these questions is pretty low. But like I said, there's people asking questions on every topic imaginable. So I just want to show you a product like this to potentially open up your mind into other options that you may have. Because everybody seems to be talking about weight loss or making money online or dating. But just know that there are definitely opportunities outside of those niches. They may be untapped. So go ahead, try out anything that you think might work. And maybe you'll come across something that is infinitely more profitable than all of those other ones. So I'm going to call my campaign then beekeeping. And like I said, I want traffic. Daily maximum budget, not $1,000. How about $20? Lifetime budget, I'm not going to do a lifetime budget. And scheduling, I want to begin advertising immediately. Okay, we're going to name our ad set now. I'm just going to name that beekeeping ad. So now we're over to our primary targeting, and we have a bunch of different options for this. So for contextual targeting, we can show ads relevant to specific topics, keywords, or questions. For beekeeping, I think it would be a good idea to target just that keyword because it's pretty specific. So we can just throw beekeeping into the keywords, and if we don't put quotation marks around it, then it's going to be a broad match, and any question or anything that has beekeeping in it, our ad can potentially be shown. I do want to show some of the other targeting options though. So we have audience targeting. So this is pretty much like a lookalike or retargeting audience. Any type of data that you had already previously collected can be thrown right in here, just like a Facebook lookalike audience or a retargeting audience. You can also target users based on their behaviors and certain actions that they took. So we can target people with specific interests, which we can add in here, kind of like we did the keywords, and also question history, so we can retarget any users by the questions that they've viewed before. So as you can see, we can search questions that involve beekeeping, and obviously there's not very many questions that were asked in the last 30 days. But what are the most important numbers beekeepers keep track of? So we could just add this one, and now anybody who saw that question in the past 30 days will now see our ad, which I think is really powerful and can work in a lot of different situations. The last one is broad targeting, and I think this would only work for huge brands with huge advertising budgets, so I wouldn't really worry about this for affiliate marketing. Next, we can go over to location targeting. So I would just do something like the United States. There's a lot of tier 3 traffic that would be coming from Quora, so it might be a good idea to target those tier 1 countries just to filter everything else out. Of course, you can target desktop and mobile and different mobile devices such as iOS and Android. You can even have your ads in the Quora Digest email. This is probably something that I would uncheck at first and then go ahead and test later if things were working well, but I wouldn't really want to do that right off the bat. If you want to exclude anybody, then you can do that right here, and then you can also set a bid, which I like. Either get charged based on impressions or on clicks. I'll probably start off with a cost per click model, see how cheap I could get those clicks. Maybe I'll start off maybe around 5 cents. I don't really know how much it would cost, but I think that's a good place to start. Moving on, we can now hone in on what kind of ad do we want to create. So remember, we have the image ads, the text ads, and the promote and answer. I would primarily probably stick with image ads and text ads, and if you want to see a preview of what it's going to look like, then we can just come over here. So an image ad will have a little bit of text over here, and then image over here. Text ad will just have the text. Image ads would be a great place to start. So I want to change my business name, obviously, to something like Beekeeping Daily or whatever. Have a headline, something about beekeeping. Have a body text, something about beekeeping. Obviously, it's going to have something to do with the offer that you selected in the previous step. So go ahead, come up with some copy that's going to entice them to click on your ad. I guess I'll just whip something up real quick and see what I can come up with for beekeeping. The things that I added though are my business name, the headline sentence, the body text. I uploaded an image over here of a bee. Obviously I would use something a little bit better, and that actually fits in the size. See, the size is right here that we would actually want to make that image. Then I just threw in my my landing page URL, which is my affiliate link, and then you can use a display URL so that it shows right here instead of this long ugly URL. You can just say something like beekeepersdaily.com, which is the same. Oh, no, it's not. Wait, yes, it is. No, it's not. Let's change that to Beekeepers Daily. And now this is just beekeepersdaily.com, which matches my business name. So then all you would have to do is hit continue, and then your ad will be all set. It'll be put into review. When it gets approved, then it will be up and running, and you can see the statistics as they start coming in. So obviously this was a very brief overview of Quora ads, but it is super powerful in the way that you are able to target people who have a burning issue already. And as long as we can position ourselves as experts in the field that they need help in, and we can present products that help out with their situation, then we will definitely be able to get some commissions rolling in. So that's all I got. I want to thank you for watching this video, and remember that this was all made possible by the AFK.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.